Here is part 2 of our previous video about identifying a profitable business opportunity. 6. Follow regulatory or legal changes. Monitor regulatory shifts. Changes in government policies, regulations, or trade agreements can create new business opportunities or disrupt existing markets. Regulatory changes often spur demand for new services or products. Example: when governments increase environmental regulations, businesses that offer sustainable or compliant products and services often thrive. Sources to follow. Government websites, industry-specific news, and legal bulletins can help you track these changes. 7. Evaluate market gaps. Analyze supply and demand. Look for situations where demand exceeds supply or where there's an underserved customer base. This is often a clear signal that a business opportunity exists. Example: if a region lacks quality healthcare facilities or digital services, setting up a business to meet those needs could fill the gap. How to evaluate. Research underserved regions or customer segments. Use market research tools and industry analysis to assess demand and supply imbalances. 8. Look for industry disruptions. Identify disruptors. Disruptive innovations often create opportunities in markets by changing how products or services are delivered. Look for industries undergoing rapid transformation and consider how you can be part of the change. Example: the rise of streaming services like Netflix disrupted the traditional TV and movie rental industries, opening up opportunities in content creation and digital entertainment. How to stay aware. Attend industry conferences, trade shows, and seminars to learn about industry disruptors firsthand. 9. Take advantage of social, economic, or environmental changes. Shifts in society. Changes in society, like urbanization, aging populations, or environmental concerns, often signal new business opportunities. Example: the growing focus on wellness and healthy living has fueled the success of fitness-related businesses, such as gyms, health apps, and organic food companies. How to apply it. Keep an eye on major trends, such as increased urban migration, climate change, and the rise of remote work to identify new demands. 10. Use innovation and creativity. Think differently. Innovation doesn't always mean creating something completely new. It can be improving or repurposing an existing product or service. Example: Airbnb didn't invent the concept of staying at someone's home, but they innovated by creating a peer-to-peer platform that connected homeowners with travelers. Tips: consider improving customer experiences, making a service more accessible, or targeting a new demographic. Collaborate with others to generate creative ideas or form partnerships. 11. Validate your idea. Conduct market research. Before fully investing in an idea, validate it by conducting market research, surveys, or focus groups to test your assumptions. Prototype or MVP. Create a minimum viable product or prototype to gauge market interest with minimal investment. Example: many successful startups begin by offering a simplified version of their product or service to collect customer feedback and refine their offering. 12. Test viability and scalability. Assess market size. Make sure the opportunity has enough potential customers to sustain and grow the business. Consider scalability. Think about whether the idea can be expanded or adapted to different markets over time. By combining market research, observation, and creative thinking, you can identify a viable business opportunity that meets an unmet need or solves a specific problem.